Welcome back to On My Channel. Now stop scrolling because in the next few seconds you'll witness the most shocking crashes, the funniest driver failures, and the most satisfying moments of instant karma on the road. Don't go anywhere. This is where cars and comedy collide. The way this woman parks her tractor, you'd think she's filming a movie scene. A car takes a hit, but she doesn't even look back. Now that's what we call parking with overconfidence. This shocking crash shows how one careless driver and out-of-limit speed can turn safety into brutal accident. The police officer barely escapes alive. This man's flying car dreams come true in the worst way. Watch his vehicle launch onto another parked car, creating the most hilarious parking disaster that leaves everyone speechless. When this heated argument turns into a full-on fight, these women forget the road and start their own drama. Thank goodness the crowd jumps between them before it becomes a wrestling match. This delivery boy learns a brutal lesson in road anger. Watch his instant regret when his bike gets crushed after challenging a larger vehicle, proving that rage always loses in the end. When this driver said he wanted a closer look at the new model, no one knew he meant from the top. The showroom's decoration turned into destruction, and even the cops couldn't stop laughing. When you are absolutely certain you don't trust the engine, this woman driver innovates a new, low-speed method of parking that is pure dedication to the struggle. This driver chooses to park on top of two cars despite an empty lot, then escapes like a superhero from a movie scene. This driver just learned that blocking the sidewalk turns your vehicle into a temporary, expensive, and widely used public bridge. This is a lesson for everyone. Don't block the crosswalk place. This delivery boy on ice deserves an award. He can't climb, he can't stand, but that package. Perfectly delivered. Respect for the effort. When you illegally park on train tracks and argue with the operator, this driver receives a powerful metal-on-metal lesson about right-of-way. This driver picks the wrong parking spot and gets an instant car wash. Watch the automatic water fountain activate, soaking his vehicle until he admits defeat and drives away in shame. This driver proves that a little patience goes a long way. Instead of getting angry, they are slowly showing the bad parker how to safely exit a nightmare. This driver just got a crucial lesson. Driving on ice demands patience, and sometimes the only way out is a massive tow truck and some heavy lifting. Watch this trying to leave parking. This driver somehow invents a new way to crash without moving far. When anger takes over, this man destroys property with zero hesitation. This is a shocking example of exactly why road rage is an arrest-able offense. This woman clearly thinks she's above the law, arguing with the police over her clearly terrible parking job instead of just taking the ticket. When the tow truck driver forgets to secure the vehicle, this car makes a dramatic, unauthorized escape and introduces itself to the nearest tree. Watch this hilarious revenge attempt using cheap tape. The angry driver's weak materials make his parking revenge the joke of the street. This driver's parking revenge ends in a shameful escape. He rams a parked car, but turns into a sprinting coward the second the owner shows up. This driver is giving a hilarious demonstration of how not to park. Driver just turned a 5-second parking job into a 1-hour. When you illegally stop traffic and then commit road rage, this man receives a quick dose of karma that leaves his bike totaled and his ego shattered.